Transform your brand messaging into authentic, scroll-stopping UGC video ads with Creatify's intuitive platform. Let's dive into creating your first UGC video ad first. Head over to Creatify and select the Create New Project option. You'll be presented with a vast library of professionally designed UGC ad templates tailored for various industries and marketing. Browse through these to find one that resonates with your brand's aesthetic and campaign objectives. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to personalize it. Creatify makes it incredibly easy to upload your own user-generated content while you think customer testimonials, product demonstrations, or lifestyle shots. Simply drag and drop your video clips into the timeline. You can also choose from a rich library of stock footage and images if your own content is limited. Now, let's refine your narrative. Use Creatify's powerful editing tools to trim your clips, adjust their duration, and arrange them in a compelling order. Add seamless transitions between shots to maintain viewer engagement. Don't forget to highlight key moments and ensure a smooth flow that tells your brand's story effectively. Next, inject your brand personality. Creatify offers a wide range of dynamic text overlays and eye-catching graphics. Add your brand logo, compelling headlines, and clear calls to action. You can customize fonts, colors, and animations to match your brand guidelines and ensure your message is delivered with impact. Audio plays a crucial role in setting the tone. Creatify provides access to a library of royalty-free music and sound effects. Choose a track that complements your video's mood and reinforces your brand. You can also adjust audio levels and even add voiceovers if needed. Before exporting, preview your creation to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Make any final adjustments once you're satisfied. Simply click the export button. Creatify allows you to export in various formats optimized for social media platforms, ensuring your UGC video ad is ready to captivate your audience and drive those crucial conversions. With Creatify, you're not just creating ads. You're fostering genuine connections and empowering your brand with the authenticity of user-generated content.